Everyone, today I will tell you 6 best free conference call services for 2022. The best free conference call services provide a secure, high quality audio and video meeting experience. They offer tools like meeting recordings, transcripts, and screen sharing, and scale with more capacity and features as your business grows. However, free versions differ significantly when it comes to conference duration, meeting participants' capacity, and advanced features. Here are the 6 best free video conferencing platforms for small businesses. Number 1, Zoom. Best overall and best free conference call service for business needing a well-known user-friendly solution. Number 2, freeconferencecall.com. Top choice for companies hosting large audio and video meetings with up to 1000 people. Number 3, Kisco WebEx. Great zero-cost option for organizations looking for interactive conference features such as polls. Number 4, Ring Central Video. Best free conference call service for business waiting to launch 2 video meetings at one time. Number 5, Google Meet. Best free video conference platform for small teams using Google and needing larger cloud storage limits. Number 6, Dialpad Meetings. Top options for companies wanting sales, collaboration, and social media integrations with a free conference call service. So in this video, we will discuss top options for companies wanting sales, collaboration, and social media integration, their starting price, key features, max conference participants, and their ratings. But in this video, we will discuss about Zoom, that is in the top of the chart in free conference call services. What we like in Zoom: browser-based services, no software download required, make it easy for anyone to join a meeting. Number 2, free version supports up to 50 breakout sessions. And number 3, Zoom added end-to-end encryption and other security protocols in October 2020, effectively blocking third parties from Zoom booming meetings or compromising data. Now I will tell you what's missing in Zoom. So no local or international telephone dial-in numbers on the free version. Number 2, no polling features come with the free plan. And number 3, customer support is limited to self-help. Now we will discuss about Zoom pricing. In a basic version, free for 40-minute group meetings for 100 participants, 30 over one-to-one sessions, and recordings saved to your device. No cloud storage need. But the main thing is Zoom shot up in popularity recently, and for good reason. It's reliable, affordable, and it's incredible in use. In a pro version, $14.99 per users per month for 30-hour group meetings, 1 GB cloud storage, and dial-in numbers. For a business, $19.99 per users per month with a minimum of 10 licenses for 300 participants, single sign-on SSO, and recording transcript. For enterprise, $19.99 per user per month with a minimum of 50 licenses for 500 participants and unlimited cloud storage. Large meetings and on increased participant limit to $500, $50 per month or $1,090 per month. The enterprise plan requires annual payment. You can save up to 17% by opting for yearly billing. Zoom checks all the boxes when it comes to the best free conference call service, including secure, high-quality video and audio calling, a highly rated mobile app, and call recording. With over 300 million users, it's also the most popular video conferencing platform. While other services offer comparable features, Zoom is a top pick because it's easy to use and most people are now familiar with it. However, Zoom's free version doesn't provide cloud storage for recordings and it limits group meetings to 40 minutes. It contrasts Zoom's top competitor Google Meet, provides 15 GB of storage and 1 hour sessions. Likewise, Ring Central Video currently supports 24-hour conferences for people who sign up by December 2021 and stores 10 hours of recordings about 10 GB. Now we will discuss about Zoom features. Remote desktop control. Like freeconferencecall.com, Zoom lets you take control over another user's desktop, including their keyboard and mouse. This tool is excellent for training, collaborating, and providing tech support for remote workers. Local record. Save conference recordings as video MP4, audio M4A, and chat TXT formats. Consider Ring Central Video or Google Meet if you want a free conference call service with cloud storage included. Another best feature of our Zoom is multiple view. Keep your team focused by pinning up to 9 videos that stay visible regardless of who is speaking. Doing so lets attendees see interactions between speakers while putting a spotlight on the person talking. Zoom showed up in popularity recently and for good reason. It's reliable, affordable, and it's incredibly easy to use. The company has grown considerably and now offers some very attractive corporate conference call solutions. This cloud-based system offers a wide range of free and paid options to accommodate both individuals and businesses for all sizes. So in the end, I must tell you that Zoom is a best and free conference call service in 2022. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.